Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shantina here. So first of all, let me first start off by saying I am wishing everyone well wishes during this time of social distancing, quarantining, things like that. We are all in this together. I'm at home, social distancing, quarantining. My friends and my family is staying home and following the guidelines that the government has put out that pretty much could keep us safe and keep us healthy and warn us from getting the COVID-19 virus or the coronavirus. So again, I want to just encourage you and motivate you to stay focused and keep moving forward. While you're quarantining, while you're social distancing, you really should be bettering yourself. I feel like maybe, just maybe, God has pretty much sent us all to our rooms to regroup, recharge, and to just come out a better people. And I truly believe that if you stay home, focus on yourself, focus on self-improvement, building your skills, whatever skill set you have, hone in on that. It's a lot of people out here that has lost their jobs and that was their only stream of income. So this is teaching us that you have to have more than one stream of income. You need multiple streams of income. You want to better your health and your emotional well-being. You want to make sure that you're coming out stronger, both emotionally, mentally, and physically. Okay, this is the time to regroup and pull it together. All right, so today I want to share some great news with you guys. During this whole COVID-19 coronavirus, social distancing, and pretty much quarantining, me and my husband purchased a house. Oh my gosh, this has been the most stressful time. We started about 6 months ago with the whole process of, the lenders, the builders, and things like that, because we built this house from the ground up. So we saw the concrete being poured, we saw the wood going up, we saw every single aspect of this home going up, and I'm telling you, it was stressful, especially coming up toward the time that we were supposed to close. Our closing date was pushed back twice because of COVID-19 and because of a lot of rain that we was getting out here. So it was just pushing that time back and back, and so therefore it just brought a lot of stress. But we are finally here. We finally have finished. It took me a while to actually get this video out. I did do a empty house tour the day of our closing date, but this video today is pretty much probably about 3 or 4 weeks later. So I'm going to show you the empty house tour, and then I am going to insert clips before and after. I'm sitting in my office now. As you can see, this is my new background. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. I love it. I may have to add a couple of little other things to it, but for the most part, I love my background. I love my studio space. One day I will give you a full tour, but today I will give you a glance over of what everything looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to stay focused, keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on to the empty house tour. Okay, so this is from looking out. This is from looking from the front door. So as you walk in, walk through the foyer here. This is a ranch style house. So here is, this is going to be my studio / office. There's a nice size walk-in closet. This is where I'm pretty much going to house all of my film equipment, my lights. Probably going to put some clothes in there too. Right across the hall you have one bathroom with a shower and tub. See the floors. Love the floors. It just flows so good. And what I was going for was like a spa-like feeling, so I can't wait to pretty much design this bathroom. Everything in here is the upgrade. We even upgraded the toilet. So these toilets here are raised at comfortable seating, so they're not the low toilets, they're the raised toilets. Pretty deep tub there. So in this room we have the guest room. This is where the guest room is going to be. We're going to put ceiling fans throughout the house. There's one there. That's the ceiling fan. It's going to go in this room. And then you have in this closet, it's another walk-in closet. And then we have an upstairs media room and game room, exercise room. We'll do that part. Let's go up there now. So you walk up right into a loft, and this is where we're going to have a pool table and a workout area. I think that area over there is going to be like my workout area, and we're going to have our pool table like right here. And then we also have a full bathroom up here. Love that shower head. It's perfect. Now up here we did the regular toilet, the shorter toilet. And like I said, all of the fixtures are upgrades and they are all chrome. I wanted the shiny chrome throughout the house, not that nickel. Shiny. Walk through here. This is going to be our media room. My husband is so excited to design this room. I told him he can do whatever he want to do in here. So this is a really, really big size room. I'm going to put our big screen TV there. I think we're going to have like the media chairs, a couple of media chairs here. And these French doors was a upgrade too. My husband wanted French doors up here. Originally it just came with a solid door, one just solid door. Now once you come back downstairs, this is the main living area. Okay, as you can see, there's the living room over there. We got 3 pendant lights. This huge, this island is 7 feet by 7 feet long. Now, I did that because we're not gonna have like a eat-in kitchen. I thought that was just too much of overkill. Eat-in kitchen with a bar or with an island, and then we have a dining room, so I just wanted a huge island. And as you can see, the open space there, that is beautiful. So it is an open concept, and the colors are neutral, grays and white, with a hardwood floors. We got a washer, got a dishwasher, got our cabinets right there. This is a really, really good space. And over here is our refrigerator. Nothing special about it. Got the ice and water. That's really all I need. And then in this area here, we're probably gonna put our tea, coffee. You know, we might put some libations over here, you know, things like that. And then we have this cabinet here. Nothing in the refrigerator, but we do have some sake and a nice bottle that we're going to celebrate with of champagne, so I'm excited about that. We're going to do that probably tomorrow because that's when we're actually moving in. When you come through here, this here is what it looks like coming through the garage. And right up the garage, you have a nice washer and dryer room right here, a laundry room with a nice light. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this door out, and I'm gonna put a door that has more of like a frost window so we can let that natural light in. Very nice. The grays on these walls throughout the house is that agreeable gray, and the ceilings are all white throughout the house. And here is our big pantry. I cannot wait to fill this thing up, okay? And before, we had a wall right here, but I wanted that wall knocked out because I wanted to see straight through the house. I really wanted the house to have a really open feel, airy feel with a lot of light coming in, a lot of natural light coming in. So that's why I knocked that wall out. And so pretty much it's crown molding throughout this whole area and in the foyer area. And eventually we're gonna change out these lights. I saw some different lights that we wanted, and they bombed. So probably in about 6 months we're gonna change those out. So this area is the dining room. Pretty nice sized dining room with the hardwood floors. We got wall-to-wall windows pretty much. This is our beautiful covered patio out there. That's our backyard. We're definitely gonna be putting a fence up, privacy fence. And here is our family room, great room. It is a really, really nice size. I'm gonna put our TV there, and as you can see, the view with the light, it is beautiful. First, we have our linen closet right here. And as you can see, the hardwood goes through the linen closet. A lot of space there. And then through here, we have the master. Right, but like I said, the walls are agreeable gray. It also has a tray ceiling in here. We're going to put a ceiling fan there, which we're getting installed today. And then you walk into the master, and I love these floors. 2 sinks. We have our soaking tub right here with a window. Then over here is our shower. And it flows really good with the floors. Look at that, just seamless. I'm probably not going to change out the lights. Only thing I'm definitely going to change out throughout the house is the light bulbs. Here is our walk-in closet. We're going to utilize this whole space, okay? This whole space. So we're definitely going to be doing build-outs, a custom closet in here. I feel like we can get more clothes in here if we do a custom closet. Alright, so there it is. And like I said, I'm going to take you along. I think I'm going to do some lifestyle videos. Thumbs up this video if you like the house. Thumbs up this video if you want lifestyle videos. Thumbs up this video if you want me to start vlogging, all of that good stuff. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for all that you've done, all the support, all of the words of encouragement. This channel has been nothing but good to me, and I thank you all so much. I am so happy, so blessed. Remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.